Welcome, welcome, welcome. Happy New Year, dear Wisdomizers. 2025 is going to be an amazing year for all crypto enthusiasts. It's been something that we've been waiting for such a long period of time. The market is now active again, and the momentum has been picking up in the first days of January, and this is really exciting. Honestly, I'm so excited for the upcoming bull run. I really want to play this really well this time. Learn from my mistakes from that I did in the previous bull runs, and obviously, I want to share this whole knowledge with you and give you all the best opportunities that I am personally trading with I think decent capital in some people's opinion, but others not so decent. So it's always a comparison to others, and I just want to start with this little lesson here that everyone has its own unique story inside the real life, and more so in crypto markets. Comparing yourself to other people and other people's profits and losses is doing yourself a disservice. And honestly, I can't stress this enough. It's very important that you stay in your own lane, you invest in yourself, and you do your own analysis. Whatever you hear from someone, you go and do your own analysis, and you use tools that help you. One of those tools, obviously, Wisdomize, but there are so many others as well that will help you get advantage over the market and get in early at the best possible prices. So, as always, let's dive into the markets a little bit because we are seeing a really steep correction in this moment for now. As you can see, we are red all across the board on a large scheme of things. This is the day that is super healthy in the crypto market. There's nothing to be worried about unless tomorrow starts a major catastrophic event, which we can't really exclude. But in general terms, what we're speaking here, we're seeing a healthy correction because a lot of the meme coins, for example, that I expect to do really well this cycle, they actually have not. They have moved up quite significantly. So after this kind of pump, you expect naturally to have drawdowns or corrections of 10 to 15 to up to 25% as we are seeing here. For me, this is completely normal, and I do not expect this to continue in the short term. We're going to see an all-time high on BTC, and as you can see, BTC as well, we are trading in this 100 to 92 range or a box, and this is effectively a box trade that I'm seeing here, that we have consolidated in 92 region until 100K, and now we are actually moving back to the box, which would give us a little bit of more consolidation. Most likely that's what's going to happen now, that market will just decide on the next move, whether it's going to go up or down. It doesn't really matter. I believe that all-time high at $108,000 is still in play, and we're going to see this many times in this bullish market. That's where we're in. This also indicates that we're trading above this 50 EMA, and as mentioned before many times, I do not expect us to come down to 73,000 region, because this is a good place for major buys from this support zone, and this is where institutions are really happy to load up Bitcoin, and retail obviously is more eager to sell their Bitcoin for discounted prices. But as always, we are not only seeing the BTC, but BTC is obviously something that triggers or is a catalyst for the whole market. So if you see something like this on BTC, it obviously creates a lot of emotions, and you are most likely seeing drawdowns, much larger drawdowns on any of the other cryptos that you possibly hold. So from my own positions, I am in Sigma, as I mentioned many times already in the group chat as well. I'm up currently around 100%. I was up today 140, but I'm not going to sell unless I see two weeks return 200% on this one, because ultimately I believe that this is going to get much higher than this. I believe that all-time high is going to be reached in this cycle, and this is my thesis as well, right? So another one that I am actually in is this fog, which is basically, you can call it a frog, and this animation of this project is incredibly good and very unique. So I am in from this 25 region. I was up on it 40%. I went with size as well, and I didn't expect this to ride it all the way up, but with size, I'm likely to take profits from 75% because these assets, they're effectively, some in some form or another, they are quality assets, and I'm likely to make bigger size bets on these ones over random meme coins that could possibly be rugs, right? Another one that I am in is Michi as well. This is also a very well-known project, but the entry wasn't too perfect, so it was 13 15, currently down on this, and I don't really have opinion on this. I believe that it's gonna still get to its all-time high, but then again, this is a project that I'm happy to bid because I believe that it's gonna go much higher. But with these projects, you also have to take in mind that there are new projects that are going to steal the spotlight of these, and it's not gonna be easy to compete with new meta, new narratives, such as we're seeing AI agents, and AI agents are actually doing extremely well. As you can see, Sequoia is one AI agent based on base, and this is going actually. This is breaking its all-time high today, as the market is mainly red. And another one like this is Cerebro, that I have been talking about in the community as well. This also, I gave this call at around 30 cents, and it actually went up to an 82. Now it's back at 45. I believe that the best risk to reward would be to buy it from the very same place that I initially said that I'm not going to buy it at 45. I'm going to buy it at 30 or below this. If it doesn't go there, if it doesn't reach this level, I'm not buying. I'm not interested, because the risk to reward ratio is favoring only at 30, because you never know what's going to happen tomorrow, what's going to happen the day after. You have to be ready to actually feel the pain as well, because obviously nothing is guaranteed, but everything is promised in crypto. So, with this in mind, I believe that we are going to have more upside on the crypto market in general. I believe that it's gonna bounce relatively quickly, because Q1 usually is very bullish for the crypto market, and these kind of healthy corrections, they are completely normal, so you wouldn't have to be too scared or anything like this. So now let's go over to the wisdomize intelligence. Like always, we are hunting for a new project. As always, every day we're trying to get one trade done on our platform. And again, just to remind you how beautiful of a thing it is when AI scans all the market, all the alpha groups, all the attention, and gives you the best possible entries and projects that are most talked about. Because everything in crypto is attention, and attention, you have to be really, really careful which projects are you going to ape, because they have to have majority of the traders' attention. As if no one is talking about it, then it's very unlikely that it will see a price rise. And it can be the best tech in the world, the best team, the best everything maxed out. But if no one is talking about it, then no one actually cares. And attention is everything. And here we are at Social Radar. Attention game is the game that we are mastering here. So again, this is the first page of the Vice logic, which I'm seeing here. It's a very mm, unique way to see the attention, because you see that there is a positive sentiment going on, and it combines all the market caps, all the information about the project, and gives you opportunity to see how how long ago the attention was on this specific spotlight. And what I'm seeing right now is that there are many projects that are actually something that I've never seen before. So we would possibly want to do something that has AI in it. And the first project that comes to my mind is Kanzai, which is obviously an AI related project. And this is probably the only meta that we are actually looking at, because we really want to see um, tokens that are that are fitting the current narrative. And the current narrative is AI and the agents of AI agents, basically. So based on the price action here, I would not be entirely sure if this is a good buy or not. But that's the thing. The price action doesn't really even matter. If people are talking about it, people will buy it, because they will see the risk to reward, they will see the potential life-changing opportunities and all this. And this is all you need to know, basically. If people are talking about it, if KOLs are talking about it, if there is a meta going on with this project, then it's perfect. It's something that you probably want to buy into, instead of doing your own analysis and trying to find another meta. So this is just to it's very basic, and it has to be understood. So we need to check them again. And one of the most important things, we also need to check what are people uh, talking about it on Twitter, because Twitter is where a lot of traders are. And you want to see the top posts here in the first place. You want to see other people talking about it, with possibly the more followers they have, the better. And this is something that's very interesting to see, like how many people are actually talking about it. And it seems like it has some actual technology behind it. It's not just a random project without any other mm, without anything to back it up. So it actually has some sort of technology, and it seems like it's using. Anyway, there is the video. You need to actually check this yourself out. But I think this could be something that can send, and this could be something that we can potentially even buy from Deck Screener. It is on Ethereum. Kanzai. Let's check what's happening with this project. Okay, transforming ideas into advanced AI bots. Okay, we definitely need to see what's happening on the website. It has some sort of strategic partnerships, tokenomics, white paper, technical documentation. Okay, technical documentation is something that you really want to see, actually. And you can build your own AI bots with AI terminal. I mean, this is really interesting. If I'm taking, so this would be something, Kanzai. This would be definitely something on my radar as of now. But there is a massive. Okay, what I don't like though is a little bit of too not too many holders, which means that it's probably not too good. Like we ideally something that has pumped already to 30 million, you would ideally want to see more holders than 1,360, which is yeah, you need to be careful here because this could be because there's a lot of AI agents projects now, and not everyone will have their mind share. So, I mean, if Wisdomize identifies this as a project that could be talked about, then I would possibly want to take a note here, and I will share this trading idea in the chat group as well now after the video. But metronome. I really want to keep these shorts short as well, so that you are able to actually watch the video and actually get some value out of it. Because you really need to. Okay, this is a dead project, so metronome. It's probably yes. You don't want to buy something that's really have been going down in value for a very long time, and it's just finding its bottom because it's the narrative and the attention shifts so fast and so quickly that you're not being able to keep up with the momentum. So this is just a very basic tip that you might want to take a note on. If something has been declining in value, then you want to skip this because this is definitely not where the attention is on a grand scheme of things, right? So it can do something, but it's probably not gonna outperform other projects or the narrative in itself. So for today, even without going too deep into the sender AI. Okay, one more. I wanna watch another one. So this has done quite well. The volume is up, the market cap is up. Um, it is trading on KuCoin, which is really good. But we want to see a bit better chart, obviously. But the chart doesn't really talk much, and this is a very new project. I wouldn't necessarily trust this, but Sender AI, just the name of it. Go watch the website and make your own sort of conclusion from here in the first place. Let me just check this out. On chain with AI agent. Oh my God, this is insane. Okay, so this is actually backed by Binance Labs, which is really good. Okay, this looks good. Yes. This could also run. I mean, Sender AI looks good. I will mark this down for the time being. But yeah, generally speaking, a quick update, a few lessons, and something that I want to bring up is again, you have to be creating your own narrative and understanding the markets from your own perspective. Using tools as Wisdomize helps you tremendously with this. See you guys in the next one. I'll be back here on a daily basis, and I can't wait to talk to you soon. See ya.